सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
Good morning to all. I am Supriya from 8th, your today's assembly's host. With these quotations, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you present in this morning assembly. A new day means new start, new beginning, new opportunity. So let us welcome the day with the open arms. As we know, no programs can be started in this day with atmosphere of learning. Every day may not be good, but something good in each new day. So I like to invite
the good thought is unfortunately don't happen, you create them.
Today I will ask some tricky questions, so please give an answer. My first question is, who made Vitthal Rukmini Mandir? Yes? Yes. Yes, Krishna Deva.
झाडे आणि वनस्पतींना विशेष स्थान आहे. मानवी जीवनचक्रात झाडे आणि वनस्पतींना फार मोठी भूमिका आहे, कारण झाडे आणि वनस्पती केवळ अन्नाची गरज पूर्ण करत नाही, तर जगात संतुलन राखण्यासाठी ते आवश्यक आहे. तसेच काही दुर्मिळ वनस्पती देखील आढळतात. त्यातून एक वनस्पती आहे जिचे नाव अट्रिक्युलिरिया फर्सेलाटा असे आहे. सगळ्यात आश्चर्याची गोष्ट अशी आहे की ही वनस्पती मांसाहारी आहे. ही वनस्पती चमोली जिल्ह्यातील मंडलगोरात सापडली आहे. वन विभागाने या मांसाहारी वनस्पतीचे अत्यंत दुर्मिळ असे वर्णन केले आहे. सर्वात मोठी गोष्ट म्हणजे ही मांसाहारी वनस्पती 2021 साली ही वनस्पती कोठे वाढते? ही वनस्पती कमी आहे तिथे. ही वनस्पती कोणत्या जिल्ह्यात आढळली? Yes, Chemoli जिल्हा.
The structure of population. I would like to invite some students to tell the important factor of populations. First, the birth rate. Birth rate. Birth rate means the number of births per 1,000 people in a year shows the birth rate. Next is the death rate.
Death rate means the number of death per 1,000 people in a year shows the death rate.
Then life expectancy.
Life expectancy, the average lifespan of an individual expectancy in an area at the time of the birth.
Then migration.
The movement of an individual or a group and area into area is called migration.
Then sex ratio. As per gender, the population can be divided into males and females. This is a natural division which can be easily understood. For the understood the population, the sex ratio is calculated as follows. Sex ratio is equal to total number of female upon total number of male multiplied by 1,000. When the per every 1,000 males female number is less, the sex ratio is called below. When the per every 10,000 males female number is more, then sex ratio is called to be high. Thank you.
Have a special day in their life. Yes, it's their birthday. So today's Ishwari's birthday. So let us celebrate their birthday with birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ishwari. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Mahityo yamna prachodaya. Om भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि येने वाग्यज्ञ तोषावे तोषोनी मजद्यावे पसाय गाणे जे फळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्म्यती